Hello everyone, I'm Thomas Schermerhorn and you guys are watching Drawing, Illustrations, and Art. In this video I wanted to do this dragon drawing. This started out in my sketchbook and I transferred it over, but all this shading wasn't really here. You might have saw it on my Instagram. Anyways, there is a figure and there is a mountain, and I really wanted to practice with these ink pens. I haven't used ink in a while for like a finished drawing, but I also messed this up and decided to bail on it. I don't feel like it's necessary to finish something if I'm going to go back in and do it over again, which is what I plan to do with this, just because there were things that I tested out. I should have done thumbnails on this, but I didn't. I just jumped into it. It was something that I wanted to do, and it was going fine until I silhouetted the mountain and the figure. I silhouetted the figure first and then felt like things weren't matching with things weren't consistent with the rest of the drawing, and so I wanted to silhouette the rest, some more stuff. I end up silhouetting the whole figure, but that doesn't work, and I think I just really got depressed because I had worked in all this detail and then I silhouetted it out. I wish I thumbnailed this first so I could have played around with cross-hatching ideas. I think the silhouette looks nice. It's just not something that I wanted for this. I'll be doing this drawing again, so don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to check up on the process of this. I just didn't feel like there was a point in continuing this because it wasn't a result that was going to end up the way I wanted. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.